Your passport is your golden ticket to the Italian academic stage. Ensure it's your backstage pass to a world-class education. Treat your passport like a magic spellbook. It holds the enchantment that unlocks the doors to your Italian academic adventure. Filling out the visa application form is like crafting a love letter. Be sincere, precise, and make Italy fall in love with your academic intentions. Imagine your form as a canvas. Each detail you paint is a stroke toward your masterpiece of studying in the heart of Italy. Your covering letter is the trailer to your academic movie. Make it compelling, leave them wanting more, and ensure Italy is your star-studded backdrop. Think of it as writing your own script. The plot is your academic journey, and Italy is the cinematic setting for your blockbuster story. Gathering documents is like preparing for a treasure hunt. Each paper is a clue leading you to the golden chest of Italian education. Treat your documents like the map to a hidden academic treasure. Every piece is crucial for unlocking the gates to Italy's knowledge kingdom. Securing accommodation is like finding your home in a foreign movie set. Make sure it's cozy, inviting, and adds an Italian flair to your storyline. Imagine your accommodation as the movie set. It's where your academic scenes unfold, and each room tells a part of your Italian story. Booking your air ticket is like reserving a seat on a magic carpet. It's your passage to the Italian world of knowledge. Make sure it's a first-class ride. Think of your air ticket as your boarding pass to the academic skies. Italy awaits, and your journey is about to take off. Getting insurance is like having a superhero sidekick. It's there to protect you from unexpected academic villains during your Italian adventure. Treat your insurance as a shield. It guards you against unforeseen challenges, ensuring your Italian academic journey is smooth and secure. Proving your financials is like showcasing your magic bag. Make sure it's full of resources, from bank statements to affidavits, casting a financial spell on Italy. Imagine your income documents as the tools in a wizard's bag. Each financial proof is a charm ensuring a prosperous academic journey in Italy. Each photo must be 35mm by 45mm. Your photograph is the movie poster of your Italian academic adventure. Make it captivating, intriguing, and let your eyes sparkle with the excitement of learning in Italy. Think of your photograph as the cover of your academic book. It's the first glimpse, and Italy awaits to discover the pages of your knowledge story. IELTS, TOEFL, DELF/DALF.